Starlink package running here in Brisbane, still during our storms. Got the little inverter down the back here, and we've also just invested in this Staria van. Unfortunately not electric, but we're planning to set this up as a camper van, so we can actually rent out a Tesla and a van that you can sleep in, ahead of Tesla having its own van in Australia, which probably is a few years off still. So the Starlink speeds we've got today are around about 40 down across 4 devices currently connected, but that can be quite a lot higher. Yesterday I got speeds well over 200 in Brisbane. So the Starlink package with the Tesla essentially has a mobile battery pack, and then the Staria van to sleep to comfortably. I'll send you another video once we've got this all decked out with the appropriate camping equipment. Tesla-Taxi.com.au if you'd like to rent either or both of these vehicles with Starlink as a camping kit in Australia.